Hello, we are on 5D, okay? It talks about finding some unknown element. It always happen here. There's some a lot of clues. So first of all, react slowly with metal oxide in aqueous solution. Do you remember metal oxide is basic? It's a base, okay? So it should be a weak acid, okay? The result from this being something to become a weak acid. Look at the relative intensity thing of 60. Okay, look at the largest one because it's a molecular formula of the thing should be 60. G molecular formula mass is 60. So what's the original? 42. So we add 18 to it and become a 60. 18 is a gas. Okay, so we have some oxygen, right? Oxygen is 16. So two more hydrogen, right? Then how to add it? Yeah, I got it, Oh, ethanolic acid, okay. Yeah, might be this one, ethanolic acid, okay. And then the other, this is the first clue, okay, is a weak acid, okay. Second clue is can they answer all the 15, 43, and 45 fragments? Just try to figure it out one by one. Yeah, 15, okay. This part is 15, right? Good job, good job. 43 and 45. Yeah, this is 45. How about 43? Yeah, this is 43. So all the fragments are found. Okay, excellent. So we solved the mystery. Well done. Next, we talk about another reaction. Okay, another question actually. I should say. Okay, 10 cm cube. Okay, we have to be about 100 cm cube. Okay, so reaction they said that what is the final volume of the gaseous mixture. Okay, so first of all, find out which one is excessive. Okay, so 100 cm cube of oxygen, 2. Okay, so divided by 2, still have 50 cm cube of gas. Okay, so it is excess. Okay, so O2 is excess. Okay, so 10 cm cube, we have with 20 cm cube of oxygen. I'll write down. Okay, so 10 cm cube, we have to 20 cm cube of oxygen become a 20 cm cube of carbon dioxide, right? So 30 cm cube final, and then even though it's used up oxygen, what is left behind for oxygen? Before it's 100, so 80 is left behind. So add together 100. So final should have 100 cm cube. Oh, we got it. Okay. Let's proceed to next question. Okay. See you.